Well, the U.S. jobs market remains strong as unemployment continues to drop. Positive as this may seem, a strong jobs market in the U.S. is spurring fears of more aggressive rate hikes by the U.S. Federal Reserve, increasing the risk of a recession. Now, U.S. employers added 263 jobs in September. That marks a slowdown from the hiring pace of 315,000 in July, but it's still more than the 250,000 that economists expected. The U.S. unemployment rate also dropped from 3.7 to 3.5%, matching a half-century low. The strong jobs market will likely keep the Federal Reserve on pace to keep raising interest rates aggressively to fight persistently high inflation. In September, hourly wages rose 5% from a year earlier, the slowest year-over-year pace since December, but still hotter than the Fed would have wanted. Higher wages and more people working in the U.S. means higher demand, which is spurring higher inflation, something that the Fed is trying to push down through aggressive rate hikes. There are concerns that aggressive rate hikes will push the U.S. economy to the brink of a significant downturn or a recession. Nevertheless, U.S. President Joe Biden touted the September's jobs report, highlighting that the jobless rate for Hispanics tumbled to 3.8%, the lowest level in government records, while unemployment for Black Americans also fell from 6% in August to 5.8% in September.
Today's jobs report. Our economy created 263,000 jobs last month. That's 10 million jobs since I've come into office. That's the fastest job growth at any point of any president in all American history. Historic progress. The unemployment rate remains at a historic low, 3.5% unemployment. That includes the lowest unemployment among Hispanic Americans ever in the history of this country, the second lowest employment among Black teenagers ever. And this recovery has been the fastest increase of people re-entering the workforce of any modern economic recovery. But there's something else. Our job market continues to show resilience as we navigate through this economic transition we're in.